I'm using a cotton knitting yarn and I'm using a 3.5 mm crochet hook. Start with the magic circle and chain 2. This chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. And now in the magic circle make 12 double crochets. Once you are done, pull this yarn in to close the loop and slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next round, start with chain 1. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now 2 single crochet in each and every stitch. So at the end of this round you should have 24 stitches. Once you reach the end, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next round, start with chain 2. For this whole pattern, the starting chain stitches that won't be counted as a stitch. Now 1 double crochet in the same stitch and 2 double crochets in the next stitch. Now repeat this all around. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. So at the end of this round you should have 36 stitches, and once you reach over here, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next round, start with chain 1, 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this all around. That's 1 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. At the end of this round you should have 48 stitches, and once you reach over here, slip stitch on top of this first single crochet. Next round, start with chain 2. Now 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. That's 1, 2 and 3. And the next stitch you'll make 2 double crochets and 2. Now repeat this all around. 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches and 2 double crochet in the next stitch, and once you reach over here, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. So at the end of this round you should have 60 stitches. Next round, start with chain 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip the next 2 stitches, that's 1, 2 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this all around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, skip the stitches, this is your third stitch, 1 single crochet in this stitch. Repeat this all around. Once you reach the end, chain 2 and 1 double crochet in this chain space. So that's the connecting chain made. Now you can start the next round. The next round, start with chain 5 and 1 single crochet in the next chain space. Chain 5, 1 single crochet in the next space. Repeat it all around. Once you reach the end, chain 2 and 1 double crochet on the double crochet from the previous round. So that's your connecting stitch made. Now continue with 1, 2, 3 single crochet in this next chain space. The 1 single crochet in the next chain space. Repeat this all around. Okay, once you reach the end, chain 5 and slip stitch on top of this double crochet. So this is how it will look. Next on, slip stitch into this chain space and chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now in this chain space, make 5 double crochets. And again in this next chain space, you'll make 5 double crochets. Repeat this all around. Once you reach over here, this is your first double crochet, you'll make a slip stitch over here. Next on, start with chain 2, 1 double crochet in the 4 stitches. And the next stitch you'll make 2 double crochets. Repeat this all around. 1 double crochet in the next 4 stitches. And in the next stitch you'll make 2 double crochet. Once you reach over here, this is your first double crochet, slip stitch on the stitch. Next on, start with chain 2. Now 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. And 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this all around. 1 double crochet in the next 5 stitches and 1 double crochet in the next stitch, and once you reach over here, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. The next one, start with chain 5, 1, 2, skip the stitches, and in the next stitch you'll make 1 single crochet. 1, 2, skip the stitches, single crochet. Repeat this all around. Chain 5, skip 2 and 1 single crochet. Next on, slip stitch into this chain space and chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 7 double crochets in this stitch. And in the next chain space, make 1 single crochet, and again the next chain space you'll make 7 double crochets. Now repeat this all around. 7 double crochet, 1 single crochet, 7 double crochets, 1 single crochet, and once you reach over here, slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. I hope you like this pattern. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.